We bought a second-hand washing machine. It's only like 1.5 years old, and we filmed the list after the first wash, so it's look very clean. First way I googled to try is baking soda and vinegar. So that's the first circle result. It's a lot of those seaweed stuff, and I recommend to buy a bigger sieve strainer because this one is taking forever to scoop. Yeah. It's probably those dirt thing from people's sweat and all those dirty stuff from the clothes and building up inside the machine. And look how much it is. So I just keep scoop them until it's all look clean after first circle. Okay, second circle. It still has a little bit seaweed stuff, so I just keep scooping them. This would take a long time to scoop all of them. This machine is still under warranty. Like as the tag says, it has 10 years warranty, but I called the stuff from LG and they said if we are second-hand buyer, it's not covered by warranty. So if you are buying the second-hand LG washing machine, you need to think about it. Until it's done, it's all clean now. And let's see the washing result. I only put one big white towel to test the result, and the seaweed is all over the white towel. Let's try second way. So I googled on website. It says you only use like 200 ml of bleach with the fill up water in the washing machine. They should do a good job. And always check the filter if they are clean before you wash anything. Okay, let's turn it on, and I am gonna use the tube clean mode and see if I can use hot. No, I can't change the temperature, but it's okay as long as I filled up water. And lid, got lid. And the reason why I turn the machine on before I put in anything is because if I put anything before I turn it on, it just all go to the drain. So I want to keep the bleach or anything I soak in the machine with water. So you need to let it block at the start. Okay, let's keep it running. So as you can see, there's still some seaweed stuff. It's not as much as before. Yeah, they're still coming out. Whoa, that's huge. Oh. And after the first circle, I wiped down the whole machine. Just there will be some seaweed stuff like under the machine, so just you want to clean it up. And and you want to put the vinegar at the second circle and to remove some bleach flavor or leftover because you don't want any of your clothes get bleach on. Okay, it's clean again, and I always check the filter after, see how it is. Like, wow. Okay, I pick those big part into the bin and then wash it off. It's so many. Oh. Okay, make sure all of them are clean, and then you can put to the bag. Sometimes I just let them outside to dry before I put back to the machine. Okay, let's see the laundry result. Yeah, seaweed. And yeah, it's all over on every color. I don't know what this. All over on the white towel as well. Okay, third away. I'm just gonna pouring the whole bottle of bleach. Let the machine started running some water again. So when you get some water, you can start pouring the whole bottle of bleach. Pour the whole bottle in. And then just let it fill up the water. And I will let the machine like run for 3 to 5 minutes. Later the water goes all over the machine, trying to dissolve a bit the dirty stuff like on those parts we couldn't see. And post it. We soak for 24 hours.
Tomorrow.
You can't tell what's all this, right? It's all white. It's not like seaweed now. And it's a lot, so you just keep scooping, let the machine run and then scooping again. And after the first cycle, you want to wiping the washing machine again. I use a paper towel. And look how dirty it is. It's all the like seaweed and the white stuff. Yo. Okay, let's do it around second circle again. And try to feel it. It's feel greasy, so I just wipe the mushroom with a paper towel again. And try to scoop up if there's any leftover white stuff. They will still have fair amount inside. And like the last way, we pour in some vinegar to remove the flavor. And yeah, it's still a lot. It's time to scoop up. So I think I spent like half hour to 2 hours just scooping all these stuff up. And you want to check the filter. Wow. Oh, and the other one. Oh. And I want to wash it before I start my second circle. I put some towel in to test the so if it get any dirty stuff on top as well. Okay, let's run the last. And it looks very clean, even those towels. I guess those white stuff are found here, the fabric conditioner. And let's check the filter again after the wash. Okay, it looks clean and it feels clean as well. Okay, let's see the cloth. Still dirty. It feels like life and me. And let's try the fourth way. I just bought the washing machine cleaner from Aldi and just follow the instruction. And if the machines didn't clean for a long time, you just put 4 tablets and let it run. Don't bother to watch it at all.
Eventually.
Okay, look clean again. Let's check the censored. And it's definitely cleaner than before. And how about white towel? Yes, it is a lot clean. So here's the four product I have tried, and the first one backup and vinegar, it's definitely not working. Just got all the seaweed stuff out, but still a lot dirty. And third was 200 ml bleach. Nah, not working. And second one is hot bottle bleach. I believe it's working a bit because it's probably dissolved some of the dirty stuff out, but still not entirely clean. And the top one is definitely the washing machine tablet.